Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 5, Lesson 36. We just learned that adjectives have 3 degrees. Here's the good news. Adverbs do too. An adverb can describe an action, compare 2 actions, or compare a whole group of them. Today we'll learn the 3 degrees of an adverb and how to form each one correctly. Here's the big picture. Just like an adjective, every adverb has 3 degrees. The positive form simply describes one action, like she runs fast. The comparative form compares exactly 2 actions, and here it's fast plus er, faster. The superlative form compares 3 or more actions, and it's fast plus est, fastest. Positive, comparative, superlative. 1, 2, 3 or more. So the count does the work for you. If you're comparing 2 actions, you use er or the word more. Drew runs faster than Sam. If you're comparing 3 or more, you use est or the word most. Of the whole team, Drew runs fastest. A quick clue. The little word than usually signals 2. So a comparative. The phrase of all signals a whole group, so a superlative. Now, which one do you use, the ending or the word more? It depends on the adverb. Short adverbs, the ones that don't end in ly, just add er and est. Fast, faster, fastest. Adverbs ending in ly, and most longer adverbs, take more and most instead. Quickly, more quickly, most quickly. And here's the trap to avoid. Never use both at once. More faster is wrong. Pick one, never stack them. Finally, a few adverbs are irregular. They don't add an ending, and they don't take more. You just have to know them. Well becomes better than best. Badly becomes worse than worst. And little becomes less than least. So you'd never say weller or baddest. You say better and worst. These show up constantly, so lock them in. Well, better, best. Badly, worse, worst. Little, less, least. In this first set, decide whether the sentence needs the comparative form, comparing 2 actions, or the superlative form, comparing 3 or more. Watch for the words than and of all. Pause and try each one before I answer. Tanya whistles blank than her brother does. We're comparing exactly 2 people, and the word than confirms it. 2 actions means the comparative. Sweetly ends in ly, so we use more, not an ending. So the answer is more sweetly. Of the 3 sprinters, Drew starts blank. Here we're picking 1 out of 3 runners, the whole group. 3 or more means the superlative. Fast is a short adverb, so we add est. Fastest. So the answer is fastest. Cal plays blank of all the musicians. The phrase of all points to the whole group, so it's a superlative. And here we want the negative form, the bottom of the group, so we use least, not less. So the answer is least skillfully. 3 more. This time, watch the form itself. Avoid doubling up, like more faster, and remember the irregular ones. Pause and try each one. This train arrives blank than the bus. Than tells us 2 things, so the comparative. But which form? Soon is a short adverb, so it takes the ending er, sooner, not more sooner. Never stack them. So the answer is sooner. Mandy performed blank than Robert did. Than means two people, so a comparative. But well is irregular. It doesn't take ER, so weller is not a word. The comparative of well is better, so the answer is better. My brother plays that song blank of all. The phrase of all signals a superlative, but the adverb here is well, and well is irregular. There's no such word as goodest. The superlative of well is best, so the answer is best. Let's wrap up. Adverbs have 3 degrees, just like adjectives. The positive simply describes. The comparative compares 2 actions with ER or more. And the superlative compares 3 or more with EST or most. Short adverbs add the ending, but ly adverbs take more or most, and you never combine them, so more faster is always wrong. And keep the irregulars handy. Well, better, best. Badly, worse, worst. And little, less, least. Count the actions, pick the right form, and you'll get these every time. Great work!